from Gomammut Overland Rally. So today we're doing a quick installation of Tuwapro half bed rack. So I'm looking for something super light. So that's why we choose TUWA. This bed rack packs really small, like you see. Plus it's like 65 or 70 pounds. So it's super light. 650 pounds of static weight. So that'll be perfect for us for our trip and to mount the rooftop tent, which we will do in the next video. But today we're here with this product, awesome company. They are, I think they are based out in Florida. So I spoke to them last week. We did the purchase and we got it right away. 2 days later, it was in my driveway. So I'm here, Jay's behind the camera. So we're doing the installation in a few. This is a 2020 Gladiator. I got over 60,000 miles right now. Smiles. This thing has been all over the place. It's been to Moab 3 times, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, all over the place. Actually, I was gonna go with to Alaska this week, but I had to cancel. I didn't have the time and time off to go there. But okay, we're here. We're doing the installation. This is the mounts. It's super beefy, strong. They go here. You can adjust to different lengths. So my goal today is, just because I got 40-inch tires, I'm trying to see if I can leave the tire there for now and maybe do the mounting system, one here, and see if it works. If not, I just gotta have to remove the tire and just do regular mounting position, which is here. All right, so I'm looking here at the Tuwapro Shiprock system. Installation time says is about 20 minutes, which is super short. Anybody can do it at home. Tools require wrench size 13 and a torque bit. That should be sufficient to do this installation. 20 minutes, super light. So let's get on it. So we're done. The new bed rack, Shiprock, is complete. Took us about 45 minutes. We had to remove the tire. We couldn't leave it there, but it came out nice, super solid, light. That's what I like, super light. So it's only about 65 to 70 pounds. My old rack from a different company was about 150. It was a dinosaur. This thing is super light. I love it. Hopefully next week we're gonna put a tent, so we can go to a show and get it going. Thank you, Thomas at Tuwapro. Check him out, tuwapro.com. Really good guys, and they ship it next day. They have everything in stock. So if you want to start your Overland rig, this is a good way to start up. Affordable, lightweight, great quality. So you can go with a tent. You can start with a soft top tent, soft shell tent, something like this, and start adventuring. Really great setup, love it. I got so much junk in there, but everything's coming out. Here we go. Whoa! Woo!
That's why you buy Dana's fucking Pro Rock 60.
Oh man!
They don't call them freaking rock crawler for nothing, right?
Woo!
Woo, you show off. Yo, I thought the whole axle was gonna just snap right there.
That 40, man.
How do you break a 60?